All right, how's it going? Wyatt Knox back here again at the Team O'Neill Rally School. Just wanted to do a quick video, just driving around nice and easy, talking about left foot braking, talking about, your first times left foot braking and getting used to using your left foot on the brake. What you're gonna find is, as you start to try it, the first few times you try left foot braking, you're probably gonna get like whiplash, slam on the brakes, because your left foot is so used to the clutch, this whole thigh massive motor skill leg moving operation of getting the clutch in, and you move that foot over, it's going to be like a club on the brake pedal. So one thing that might help you, and hopefully you can try this, just safely putting around somewhere like this, is when you go to left foot brake, put your heel down on the floor and you're going to hinge and use your ankle just like you've done your whole life with your right foot on the brakes or the accelerator or whatever. You're going to try the same thing with your left foot, just being able to feel the brake and squeeze it and use your ankle. If it helps, again, find somewhere safe, because this can be awkward. I'm in second gear, I'm driving along. Try using your right foot on the accelerator and the brake and the accelerator. And here I've got to drive up a little hill, accelerate up the little hill. And you'll see, if you're jumping all over it and being jerky, 10 minutes of this in a parking lot, 5 minutes, 3 minutes of this in a parking lot, and your left foot is going to go from being just a dead club at the end of your knee kind of thing to something that can really do some little finesse precision work. And it's just heel down. You don't want to be using necessarily the ball of your foot. You want to be not on your tiptoes either, but find a happy place that's comfortable for you where you get some feedback and you can feel the pedals. I'm driving around in hiking boots, that's fine. Some people, your first times doing this until you get really smooth and familiar, take your shoes off or wear some thin-soled shoes, whatever you might have, indoor soccer shoes, that kind of thing are really good. If you don't have driving shoes, there's a bunch of different kinds of shoes, but just something that you can sort of feel the pedals with and drive around, and it's just a great exercise to develop a bunch of sensitivity with your left foot. As you're driving around, if you're on a back road, especially something low speed like this, feel free to do this. It's not like your left foot is any more dangerous than your right foot. It's just maybe a little bit awkward and unnatural at first. So your driver's ed teacher probably told you for whatever reason, hey, right foot only, because it's going to be more natural if you're right-handed. But if you ever watch anybody play the drums or run different kinds of heavy equipment and things, you can get your left foot to just about the same level of sensitivity as your right foot. It just takes a little bit of time and smoothness and deliberate practice, and kind of an open mind. So play with that a little bit, and hopefully that'll get you nice and smooth with the brake pedal with your left foot. It'll get you multitasking so that your left foot can use the clutch and or the brake, and your right foot can use the throttle and or the brake, and you can heel and toe and do different things and get your feet working, because a lot of these racing videos, you see the outside the cars hammering along and inside the car stuff's going on, and what it's not showing you all the time, at least, is you're very busy down here with your feet doing a bunch of different things. And on the street, if you can build up just that muscle memory and instinct so that your feet are doing the right things smoothly at the right times, when you do get into, whether it's autocross or rallycross or track racing or rally or anything you might be doing, you go drifting, your feet are really the hidden secret of the whole thing. They're doing half the work down there, and then it's just your eyes and the steering wheel up here, and a little bit of, hopefully good judgment that gets you around. But yeah, so that's just a quick video. It's a fun little exercise to get used to left foot braking quickly. If you got any questions about left foot braking, feel free to add them in the comments and we'll get to them as we can. And yeah, if we get something like this where there's been a few questions over time, we'll make another video, and hope you guys have a good one, and thanks for watching.